This is an antique Singer red eye, model 66-4. Serial number is G0267390, which dates it to the later part of 1923. March of 1923, they changed 61 to the 66-1 to the 66-4. 66-4 basically just gives it the side clamping foot that's used on all the common machines. This is a Treadle machine. There's a hub located here for a Bossor motor. It's set up in a Treadle application. The table does not come with the machine. It's for demonstration purposes only. Decals are good. There's crackling on the deck paint and some scratches here from I believe it was a light clamp. But it's been serviced and it's in full working order. Basically, I'm just going to show you while it stitches. Got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo in the ad. I'm going to do full speed stitch test, which is the best way to test if you're going to skip stitches or break thread. My fabrics were rolling over on me, but still went through it. Should be able to see the stitch. Yeah, let's see here. So you can see on the gold there's no skipped or missed stitches. It's a little hard to tell with the red thread on the back. And there you have it.